Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm back with a new video, and today we have a new section, how to draw and style. So in this section we are having how to draw a face, eye, hair, body, and how to shade a face. Okay, so there is different type of how to unstyle. So if you want to draw a face, that is a very good section for you. And if you don't want, or you are not interested in this, I upload every week at least 1 hour challenge, so never miss it up. Subscribe. Okay, well, I'm talking a lot, but no problem, I'm going to explain. If you don't understand my explanation, you can follow my steps step by step and you will be fine totally, and you will draw a very good art. I have drawn 3 circles. I have drawn a straight line. I have drawn the eye shape. The straight line and the middle circle help me to draw the eye shape. And then I have removed the middle circle, and now I am highlighting the lines with black. Highlighting the lines with black makes very good art, and I recommend to highlight each thing you want to draw. And now I want to draw a female eye. If you don't want to draw a female eye, you can remove the eyelashes and you will be fine. But I want to draw a female eye, so I will add eyelashes. I have added a lot of eyelashes, but there is no problem. It looks totally fine and totally lovely. You can add as many as you want. It's your own eye. I have used blue color to color out the eye. I have used the straight formula using markers. Okay, if you don't have markers, don't worry, use the pencil colors. But for best results, use a marker to color out the eye. Use different shadings, a light blue and a dark blue, to make a very realistic eye. And this line formula create a 3D shape which make the eye to look very nice and realistic. Okay, as you know, I draw cartoons, so realistic, I don't draw a lot of realistic, but this eye looks very realistic. Okay, I also colored the inside of the eye, the third circle, black with marker. If you don't have pencils, but I don't love to color black with pencils because it looks horrible, totally, like it's not fine black. But you always need pencils. Like I'm using now pencil to shade and to match the colors of blue using my blue color. Okay, also in the white space I'm gonna just shade the black areas by using a pencil and then rub it with my hand or with a fine or with a cotton. Okay, and now we are going to the skin color. Use a very faint, like don't color the skin so pop-up colors, very faint. Then highlight the surrounded part of the eye with a dark and a pop-up color. Okay, this will make more sense and it will make a very expert eye color, eye shape. Yeah, as I told you, if you don't understand my explanation, just follow my steps I'm drawing and you will get a very good results. Eyebrows, of course, I'm doing straight lines to make it looks like a hair eyebrows. If you are drawing a female, try to make it thin. If you're drawing a male, try to make it thick. So this is also a new idea you can use when you are drawing an eye. If you want to add an eyeshadow, you can just add any color you want, but try to make darker. Is like just try to merge the color with the skin tone. Yeah, merge it with the skin tone. I'm shading again, but it looks totally fine. Yeah, the other one looks totally fine, but like I'm just making it much realistic. Okay, I feel like it's so nice, so wonderful, and so lovely. As I told you, follow my steps, you will get this eye. And if you get it and you want to show me the results, go on Instagram, mention me Maher for art, and I'm going to see all your wonderful art. Okay, so here we go. I think we have finished the eye. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe for more videos, and I will see you later in a new video. And bye, hope you have enjoyed this video.